Namaskaram friends. So in today's video I am going to talk about knowledge. Okay, a very core keyword because many issues, many debate, many wars happen on this subtopic, or you can say this keyword, knowledge. So in search of knowledge people go many places. They go school, they go university, some people travel, some people meditate. That means people adopt different dimension to achieve the knowledge. Okay, nowadays in universities, in college, very knowledge is not there, just ratification or just information. Okay, very few colleges or university are solely dedicated on knowledge or education. Okay, because most of the universities just produce cogs for economic field. Okay, they do not educate child, or they do not explore the mind of human being. They just put some information and go them some information and use as a machine, because nowadays more than 80% people are work as a robot, as a machine. Human beings are not robot. They are not made up of doing things which a machine can do, because we made a robot through our mind. So our mind is so complex, so sophisticated that we have to make machine to do other activity and use our mind to open other dimension which are not yet explored. Okay, because nature give us such a sophisticated mind so that we are able to open any dimension, but due to lack of discipline, due to lack of dedication, focus, people end up with doing small thing, and in their whole life they do just mediocre thing. More than 99% of people do that. Only just 1% people take an adventure or go into an arena which is, you can say, difficult or may take their life. Okay, but only due to that people we know something which are very, you can say, time taking. Okay, spiritual gurus, religious gurus, not religious gurus which spread, let's say, war, or which spread disinformation in the world. With people who actually want to solve the problem of the world, those type of people are very few, and we have to respect them. And also some percentage of people must go into that arena so that our future generation benefit from it. Okay, so the best simple method is, do not believe on anything. Do not just get information and believe on it or just use it as it. No, experience is the thing through which you can solve any problem. Okay, take the knowledge of other people because they dedicate their life and evolve or explore something which you must read or acknowledge, but do not blindly believe on anything. Okay, because when people blindly believe on anything, they end up doing messy things in the world. Okay, World War I, World War II, they are happen just for belief, because one people believe that they are good, others are bad. Our religion is good, religion of other community is bad. Okay, on race, on caste, on sex, on place of origin, on many different vague things, wars are happening. Okay, so we have to understand that 2 or 3 philosophies, or you can say 2 or 3 things which must be spread in the whole world, so that whole generation from a child to a old age, everyone educated, and stop disinformation, fake news, and aware people that what is good and what is not for the whole humanity, for the whole creation. Okay, so first know yourself and keep physical and mental health of your body and mind in a good place. For that you have to adopt different methods. Okay, so in my way, yoga and meditation are 2 things through which you can benefit physically and mentally. Okay, and if large amount of people, if not all, if large amount of people physically and mentally healthy, then their thought, their action are in a right direction, and through that we achieve a sizable number of population which go for the work of the humanity, for the well-being of the humanity, and in this manner we solve many problems. Okay, so the main problem is in our mind. If we solve that, lots of problem are automatically solved. Okay, so meditation and yoga is a technique through which you are able to solve lots of problem and gain lots of knowledge. So two types of people are exist in this world. First, genius. Second, intelligent. Okay, people do what they want to do. That type of people are called intelligent. But people do what is needed in the world. That type of people is called genius. Okay, so both are required. Okay, what type of you must decide. Okay, so the main core area of today's topic is, if you want to know anything or if you want to go gain knowledge, so people from the time immemorial quench their thirst of knowledge through meditation and travel. Okay, when you travel physically, you experience things by your own. Okay, and what you see, what you can't see. Okay, and through meditation you go to the core of creation where you are not able to go physically. Okay, so use both dimension, physical dimension as well as non-physical dimension. Through travel, if you travel physically, then you open a physical dimension. If you travel through your mind, then you use non-physical dimension, or you can say meditation. Okay, so if you want to travel in the whole creation, you have to use both the tools, yoga and meditation, and through that you are able to understand the whole creation, whole cosmos, from the beginning to its end, from the beginningless to endless, from the core to depth, from simple to complex. That means every dimension you open up, but for this you have to be physically and mentally healthy. So I hope you love this topic and enjoy this lecture. Namaskaram. Thank you.